With the banking system still crippled despite a $350 billion bailout, the Obama administration unveiled a sweeping new blueprint to thaw the frozen credit markets.
This is a dangerous dynamic, and we need to arrest it.
The revised plan aims to help consumers. The Treasury and Federal Reserve agreed to commit up to $1 trillion to spark more lending of auto loans, student loans, and credit card debt. The country's biggest banks will be required to undergo a comprehensive stress test to determine their health. And the government will move to stabilize the banks by buying up to $1 trillion worth of toxic assets and moving them into a kind of bad bank. The purchases would be financed by a partnership of public and private money, which the government said is still being worked out.
As costly as this effort may be, we know that the cost of a complete collapse of our financial system would be incalculable for families and for businesses and for our nation.
The problem's huge.
Former Fed Governor Fred Mishkin says a bank rescue plan is even more important than the stimulus package.
The stimulus package, although I think it's necessary, will not work and will not get the economy back to health unless the financial system gets working again.
But some say the Geithner plan still falls short.
Even though everything helps on the edges here, it does not go far enough. And to go far enough is to put capital into these institutions. And that's what I did not hear from this plan.
The Dow tumbled nearly 400 points as Wall Street critics saw more of a concept than a plan.
A concept is, let's be in Chicago tomorrow. A plan is how you get there and what time you leave.
Even the program's new website is conspicuously lacking in details.
The administration also made it clear it can't guarantee this will work or that it won't need to come back for more money. As Treasury Secretary Geithner put it, we will have to try things we have never tried before, and we will make mistakes. Katie?
And Anthony, what about a plan to help homeowners facing foreclosure?
There is a $50 billion plan to help those homeowners potentially renegotiate their mortgages in the works, but the details are still being worked over, and an announcement is weeks away, Katie.
All right. Anthony Mason. Thank you, Anthony.